In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom time frame on Tradingview chart. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, customizing your time frames can be a game changer for analyzing market trends with precision. Tradingview, a leading platform for charting and analysis, offers an intuitive way to create custom intervals tailored to your strategy. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's dive in and get started. To begin, locate the interval selector at the top of your Tradingview chart. You'll find this in the main toolbar, and it's the area where standard timeframes like 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 1 hour are displayed. This is the key tool for switching between different time intervals, so it's important to know where it is. Once you've found the interval selector, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will open up a menu that displays all the default timeframes. These are built into Tradingview for quick access, but what we're interested in today is the ability to create a custom interval. In some versions of the interface, you might need to look a little closer for the custom options, so let's keep going. Next, scroll down to the very bottom of the interval menu. Here you should see an option that allows you to add a custom interval. Depending on your Tradingview interface, this option might be labeled slightly differently or positioned in a corner, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just take a moment to scan the menu carefully. Once you've found the Add Custom Interval option, click on it to proceed. This will open up a new panel where you can input the details for your custom time frame. Now, this part is essential for tailoring the chart to your needs. So let's go step by step. First, you'll need to select the unit for your custom interval. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a range of options like minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or even range bars. Choose the unit that aligns with the time frame you want to create. For example, if you're tracking short-term trades, minutes or hours might be ideal. Just make sure you're selecting the correct unit, as mixing something like 100 minutes with 100 hours could lead to errors in your analysis. After selecting the unit, move to the adjacent field and enter the specific number for your custom interval. This is where you define the exact length of the time frame. For instance, you might enter 100 if you're setting up a 100-minute interval, or 4.5 for a 4-hour and 30-minute interval. Be precise here to ensure your custom time frame reflects exactly what you need. Before moving forward, take a moment to double-check both the unit and the number you've entered. Accuracy is key here, as any mistake in these settings could result in an interval that doesn't work as intended. It's always better to verify now rather than having to troubleshoot later. When you're confident that everything is correct, click the Add button to save your custom interval. At this point, Tradingview may take a moment to process the new setting, especially if you're working with a slower internet connection or a particularly unique interval. Just be patient while the system updates. After the chart updates, you'll see your data displayed in the custom time frame you just created. This is the moment to carefully review the chart and ensure that it's reflecting the interval as you intended. If for any reason the interval doesn't appear or update correctly, check your internet connection or revisit the settings to make sure everything was entered accurately. Now, one final thing to keep in mind, custom intervals on Tradingview may require a paid plan. If you're using a free plan, you might encounter a restriction or a prompt to upgrade. If this happens, upgrading to a paid plan will unlock full access to this feature and allow you to take full advantage of custom timeframes. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating custom timeframes on Tradingview charts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.